Good morning, children. Today is fantastic Friday and the date is 7th August 2020. Today we are going to learn about prepositions, that what are prepositions and how do we identify prepositions in the sentences. I'm sure in previous grade you would have learned about prepositions, but today we are going to practice preposition in a different way. Alright, so for this one, let me show you a flashcard first. Alright, let's read few sentences. There are 4 sentences given here. Let me read first one to you. The boy was standing beside the tree. The cat jumped over the fence. The kitten fell into the basket. The chair is under the desk. Alright, so these are 4 sentences. Now let's focus on the words underlined with the red marker. Beside, over, into, under. Right? These are the words which we call prepositions. Right? These are prepositions. Beside, over, into, under. So let's read the sentence once again. The boy was standing beside the tree. Alright, what is the noun here? इस सेंटेंस में noun क्या है? Noun is the boy. Alright, the boy is the noun. So where is the boy standing? Beside the tree. Absolutely. Where is the boy standing? Beside the tree. So boy is the noun and he is standing beside the tree. So we can say that beside is a preposition, and that's how we define prepositions. Preposition is a word that tells us the place of a noun, right? And it shows us that where is it right now. So we can say that prepositions are the words which tell us the position of a noun, right? And that's how we define preposition. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि prepositions वो words होते हैं जो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी noun उसकी जगह क्या है, वो किधर है इस वक्त, उसकी placement क्या है, और कोई भी object है जो वो किस जगह पे है, right? So इस sentence में the boy is the noun. ये एक object का name है. This is a person. Boy is a person. And where is it right now? कि अभी वो कहाँ है, उसकी जगह क्या है? Beside the tree. Tree के पास. So beside is the preposition. In example 2, the cat jumped over the fence. Cat is the noun and over is the preposition which tells us that the cat jumped over the fence. Fence means any hedge. कोई भी आपने देखा है जैसे कोई बाड़ होती है, कोई जंगला होता है, राइट, अराउंड द गार्डन. अब अपने हाउसेस और लॉन के अराउंड भी लगाते हैं. The kitten fell into the basket. Kitten is the noun and into is the preposition which tells us about the position of the kitten. Kitten कहाँ है? Into the basket, right? The chair is under the desk. Chair is the noun and under is the preposition that tells us about the position of the chair, that where is the chair right now. So these words are the prepositions. So we can say that preposition shows us position between one noun and another, and it tells us the placement of the object, right? Now I would like you to open up your textbook. Alright, textbook page number 37. Alright, this is textbook page number 37. Write down the day, Friday 7th August 2020, and please highlight prepositions. Let me show you closely. Alright, you have to spell this word very clearly. Spell preposition correctly. Prepositions. 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 The preposition has the final blend of shun. Tion, shun. Prepositions, right? Prepositions plural है and preposition is the singular. A preposition shows the position between one noun and another, right? अभी आप ये देखें. Let me simplify this for you. अभी हमने ये फ्लैश कार्ड देखा था, इसमें जो एग्जाम्पल्स थी. Let's see. यहाँ पे noun है और ये noun boy हमें बता रहा है beside preposition है जो हमें ये बता रहा है कि ये इसकी जगह कहाँ है, इसकी पोजीशन कहाँ है. फॉर एग्जांपल इसको लर्न करने के लिए एक बिल्कुल सिंपल सा भी मैं आपको एक हैक बताती हूँ. लेट मी टेल यू दैट इफ़ आई हाइड प्रेप, राइट, इफ़ आई हाइड प्रेप देन व्हाट्स द रिमेनिंग वर्ड? पोजिशंस. सो इससे आप ये लर्न कर सकते हैं दैट prepositions आर द वर्ड्स विच टेल अस द पोजिशन ऑफ अ नाउन, राइट, or and it tells us the position between one noun and another, right? So that's how you will find this easier to learn. Preposition shows the position between one noun and another. All right, now let's turn the page. All right, example: she began making notes on sheet of paper, and on and off are prepositions here. You see, you can highlight or you can use any of the coloring pencils you have at home with you. On and off, right? She began, she is the noun. She began making notes on a sheet of paper. So on and off both are the prepositions. Now let's read the statement. Underline the prepositions in the following and write then sentences of your own in using the prepositions. Alright, first of all, let's highlight the prepositions. The carpet under the table was old. The carpet under the table was old. B. The river under the bridge is flowing very swiftly. Swiftly means quickly, briskly. Quickly, tezi se, briskly. Swiftly means quickly or briskly. C. The fence round the house fell down. D. The cat fell into the puddle. E. Flying the aeroplane past the town was not easy. Excuse me. Right, so that's how prepositions under, round, into, past, because these are the words which are telling us about the place of the object. Carpet, noun, river is the noun, right, the fence is the noun, the cat is the noun, and aeroplane is the noun, right? So these are the words which are telling us the position between one noun and another. Carpet एक noun है और carpet and table जो है, the carpet under the table was noun, was old. हमें ये बताया जा रहा है कि carpet जो कहाँ पे है, under the table, table के नीचे वो क्या है, old है. The river under the bridge is flowing very swiftly. River किधर है? Under the bridge. So under is the preposition and bridge between two nouns. River and the river under the bridge is flowing very swiftly. Alright, so that's how you will highlight or underline all of the prepositions given in the sentences. Alright children, now I would like you to take out your workbook. Let's practice more with prepositions. It's workbook page number 19. Alright, what we're gonna do here, excuse me. Here are few pictures given to you. Picture A, B, C, D, E and F. You see, these are 6 pictures given to you, and हर पिक्चर के साथ एक सूटेबल preposition है जो हम इस बॉक्स में से चूज़ करेंगे. दिस इज़ द preposition बॉक्स, राइट. यहाँ पे इस बॉक्स में हमारे पास prepositions की एग्जाम्पल्स हैं बहुत सारी. सो वी कैन राइट दिस इज़ द बॉक्स ऑफ preposition. एग्जाम्पल्स हैं over, with, round, into, behind, for, above, at, across, along, through, by, top of, near, out of, bottom of, right? So these are the examples of prepositions. A, there is a picture, you can see, let me show you closely. This is the picture. You see there is a boat, right? And it looks like that it's sailing across the river. And then we have a man on picture B. It looks like that he's coming out of the car. Then picture C, it's a tiger. You see a tiger here, and a tiger is walking through the forest. Yep, look, these are the trees. So lag raha hai ki wo forest mein hai. Then D, a boy. You see, what do you see in this picture? A boy is jumping over the fence. You see, this is the fence. अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना, hedge और fence वो जंगला या वो बाड़ होती है जहाँ पे जो हम प्रोटेक्शन के लिए मेंटेन करते हैं. E, this is a girl and look at her hand. She has got her hand into the jar. F. Alright, what do you see in this picture? There is a cat in the picture and it looks like that the cat is sitting at the top of the block. ये देख रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 4 blocks हैं. Alright, so there is a suitable preposition for each of the picture. हर picture के लिए एक suitable preposition है. आप please इसको write down करें. Across, out, और हमने ये select किए हैं इन examples में से. Across, out, over, top of, into and through. Alright, ये अब यहाँ पे हमने pictures को study किया है. Alright, oral sentences हमने यहाँ पे बनाए. Now what we gonna do here? Let's read the statement to find out that what we are gonna do here. अब हमने क्या करना है? We have to make sentences. We have to write sentences about the pictures given on page number 19 using 6 words given in the box on the previous page. हमसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि previous page पे, पिछले page पे ये जो pictures हैं हमने observe की हैं, हमने इनके लिए suitable preposition यहाँ से box से choose करना है and we have to write sentences about the pictures. A, B, C, D, E, F. A. So let's take a look at the picture A. Picture A is about a boat, right? And picture B is about a man who's coming out of the car, right? So let's write sentences. The boat is sailing across the river. The boat is sailing across the river. What is the preposition here? Let's highlight. Alright, across. Across is the preposition. Alright children, make sure that you start your sentence with capital letter and end your sentence with suitable punctuation for writing a sentence. And what do you put at the end of the sentence? Sentence के end पे कौन सा punctuation mark use करते हैं हम? Full stop. Alright. B, the man got out of the car. Out is the preposition here. C is the picture of the tiger. You see the picture of a tiger who's walking through the forest. The tiger is walking through the trees. You can write trees or forest. It's your choice. It's your vocabulary. Your choice of vocabulary. D. What do you have on picture D? A boy jumping over the fence. The boy jumped over the fence. Fence means hedge. आप ये देख रहे हैं? This is called fence. Excuse me. ये आपकी vocabulary भी है, right? F-E-N-C-E. I'm sure आपके lawn में, आपके gardens में या आपके house के around आपने ये fence देखा होगा, right? Fence. So please write down fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. On picture E we have a girl. Yes, you see? A girl who has got her hand in the jar. The girl has her hands into the jar. Alright? Into the jar. On picture F we have a cat on the top of the blocks. The cat is sitting top of the blocks. Alright? So that's how you will complete your sentences and you will write your sentences here. Alright, so let me repeat. The boat is sailing across the river and please highlight the preposition. The man got out of the car. The tiger is walking through the trees. The boy jumped over the fence. The girl has her hand in the jar. The cat is sitting on the top of the blocks. By the help of these pictures, हमने इन pictures की help से by choosing the correct preposition from the box, we have written the sentences over here, and after writing the sentences we have highlighted prepositions: across, out, through, over, into, top of. Alright children, make sure you write neatly with sharp pencil tip and make sure your first letter should be capital, the beginning letter of the sentence should be capital, and after completing the sentence put full stop. Alright, now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is Learn Prepositions. Learn Prepositions, textbook page number 37 and complete workbook page number 20 A3 as homework in notebook. आज का given homework जो है students, you have to complete that in your notebook. आज जो आपको homework diary में दिया गया है, you are supposed to complete that in your notebook. आपने any 5 prepositions choose करने हैं, right? इन sentences में से कोई से preposition choose कर सकते हैं आप, इस box में से choose कर सकते हैं. It's your choice. इट्स योर चॉइस, आप कोई से भी 5 preposition चूज़ करेंगे एंड उनके सेंटेंस बनाएंगे और उसको अपनी नोटबुक में राइट करेंगे. दिस इज़ A3. A3. Write sentences in your notebook using the other prepositions, any 5. You see, any 5. आपको कोई से भी 5 prepositions चूज़ करने और उनको अपने sentences में यूज़ करना है, and afterwards आप उसको अपनी notebook में write कर लेंगे. The way you prepare your notebook by writing down the day followed by the date, homework, margin line please draw कीजिएगा, topic prepositions और नीचे sentences. आपने 5 sentences write करने हैं, and after writing that you have to highlight the sentences as well. Alright, so that's how you will complete your homework. Thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.